Have you ever met someone who just can't mind their own business? That person might be the perfect example of someone who likes to meddle. So, what does meddle actually mean? The word meddle means to interfere in someone else's situation, business, or personal matters, especially when you're not invited to. It's usually considered a negative because it shows unwanted involvement. For example, she always tries to meddle in other people's problems. That means she gets involved where she shouldn't. Now let's look at the English definition. Meddle is a verb that means to become involved in something that doesn't concern you. Often, it's about interfering too much, or giving opinions that aren't needed. Let's understand meddle through a few synonyms that carry the same idea. Some common ones are interfere, intrude, pry, tamper, intervene. Each synonym has its own tone. For instance, interfere and intrude sound softer and sometimes neutral, while tamper has a stronger, more negative feel, like touching something you shouldn't. Let's look at a few quick examples. Don't meddle with my plans. He was accused of meddling in government affairs. My neighbor loves to meddle in everyone's life. Did you notice how meddle always involves action where it's not wanted? That's the key takeaway. So next time you want to describe someone who keeps getting involved in places they don't belong, you'll know the perfect word, meddle. Keep growing your vocabulary with Thesaurus Thrive, where every word comes to life. Would you like me to create a short YouTube short style version of this script, under 100 words, as well?